Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Nissan Titan windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. Now, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. You'll feel it lock into an upright position, holding it securely off the glass. This prevents the arm from snapping back unexpectedly. With the wiper arm lifted, look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or button on the connector. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade downwards, away from the arm's J-hook. Once it's free, carefully remove the old blade. Remember to gently lower the bare wiper arm back towards the windshield, but don't let it snap down. Now take your new wiper blade. Align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards, pushing it firmly onto the hook until you hear a distinct click. This click confirms the blade is securely locked in place. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring they rest properly. Finally, it's time to test your new wipers. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield washer fluid to ensure the blades clear the glass effectively and smoothly. For optimal performance and longevity, remember to regularly clean your wiper blades with a damp cloth. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with those leak-proof containers, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.